Wake up. Ah. Good morning. Seems like you've been asleep for some time, haven't you? Well, it's no worry, no concern, don't freak out or anything. I've just missed you is all. Seriously, I've been so bored with you asleep. Yeah, it's so good to have you back. Now then, before you say anything, yes, surprise, we're in a new location. Now, there is no need to worry. You're completely safe here as well. I just had to move you. You see, I've gotten a few, offers that I just couldn't refuse. Sorry, I'm not speaking so much and I might be staring, but your face is just so captivating. I could just stare at you forever. So I will. Sorry, no. Getting ahead of myself. I'm afraid our time together is, at an end for now. Like I said, offers I couldn't refuse came my way, and it would appear that I wasn't the only one after you. Don't panic, don't freak out. I'm sure you'll be completely fine. Though I do have to stress, what these other people will do to you, I don't quite know. Anyway, darling, I just wanted to say a quick goodbye, but not a farewell. Don't worry, my darling. This is not the last time you'll see me. Nana. Night, night.
Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and everything in between. Welcome to Dartmoor Orchid House. It is a tremendous honor to have you all here this evening, and I'm sure we'll have a wonderful night full of exquisite courtesies, antiques, lost what previously thought to be lost to time. And of course, ladies, gentlemen, and in between, the piece that is on tonight, a fresh capture from the infamous serial kidnapper, Ivala. I know, shock, horror. How could we speak such an accursed name here? But do not worry, ladies and gentlemen, we have triple checked the perimeter. He's nowhere to be seen. Now then, why don't we go ahead and get along with the auction tonight? So, quieten down now, please, I beg of you. Hush, 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 hush. Excellent. So, the first lot of evening. Well, to put it all into perspective for you ladies, gents, and in between, We here at the Dartmoor Auction House have decided to forego conventions and how auctions normally work, because we here do not do things normally. You must all be very aware of the phrase, best till last. Now, fuck that. Why don't we swap it around a bit and start with the best. Ladies and gentlemen, in between, I present to you the capture of Desire.
Ladies, gentlemen, in between, I beg of you, hold your applause, hold your horror, your fear, your gasps of delight. I am well aware that the capture we have before us is one of pristine quality. The face is something of craftsmanship, the body exquisite, the scent. I would argue the scent is the best part. Take a good look, ladies, gentlemen, in-betweens, and hell, whatever else might be here. We don't judge. Closer look? Well, if you want. Now. We've had our fun. This is the capture of Devala. And, we have had to sign a contract and make an arrangement with Devala in order to present to you this capture tonight. We start the bid off high. 240,000 is the lower half. Whoa, now that wasn't whoa. That was not an invitation to start just yet. We've also been informed we're not allowed to frighten the capture too much, and I fear we might have already done that. So, take a good look, ladies, gentlemen, in between, a good, long, hard look. One of you will have the honor to do what you want with this capture. All it'll cost, well, we have yet to figure that out, but I assure you, nothing short of fortune. But of course, we're not allowed to scare them too much, so let us put them back to sleep now.
Now, where were we?
I can certainly give it to Devala. He knows how to pick and choose the cream of the crop, as it were. My. Oh, you're awake. Hello. I am the person who bought you. That sounds bad. Well, I am the person who is, I suppose now in indirect ownership of you. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Tormio. Sorry, I'm rather new to this whole thing. I don't normally talk to the people I have, if that makes any sense. Okay, look, for lack of a better word, your beauty encapsulated me and I simply needed to. I spent more money than I probably have. So, well, I'm kind of hoping you're worth it, in all honesty. You were the one captured by Devala, weren't you? Well, he has a reputation, as I'm sure you're aware. He's a bit of a creeper, honestly. I'm not trying to be creepy, or I'm sorry if I don't mean to disturb you. I just, well, how do I put this the way you can understand? As I'm sure you're probably aware at this point, people here are not normal. We are, well, I guess you guys would call us vampires. By you guys, I mean humans. But yes, we are all vampires here. We've all been alive for a long time. Divala was alive for the longest currently in this country. So it's, yeah, people can't really step up to him, but I'm rambling. I'm sorry. You probably have no idea what I'm talking about, and you're probably scared out of your mind. But there's no need to worry. I'll get you to my estate, and we'll get you set up, and yeah. Oh, right. I should probably tell you what you are doing. Well, I have hired you to be a well, hired. Sorry, wrong choice of words. I have bought you, so you kind of don't have a choice. But you are going to be my pet. Don't worry, you're going to be a very humanely treated pet. I have a whole room set up for you. You get, servants and all sorts. You get maids and that. But the only condition is when I call for you, you come and you do whatever I say. And like I said, I am not a creeper like a Divala. Don't tell him I said that though. Yeah, so we will have fun, and I'll keep you for as long as you're appealing, which is not a great way to put it, but it's the truth. So so sorry for that, but right now you are very appealing, and it looks like you have a good few decades worth in you yet. For the record, I am like 2,000 years old, so I say like because we don't really keep track after a certain after a certain time period passes. But yeah. Anyway, let's get out of here, okay? I'm not a massive fan of crowds, and I only came tonight because my butlers convinced me. So they thought they thought I should socialize more. So I did, and then you caught my eye, and I just needed you. Honestly speaking, funny thing, I've probably made many enemies buying you tonight. So I was not the only one going for you. So I'm sure our immediate future will be most interesting. So all I can say is I hope you are an adrenaline junkie. Okay, I am rambling, and I'm also running out of things to say. So let's get going. Oh, but not to be a bother, I know you've been knocked out a lot today, but I need to do it again because just in case in case you are a rebel, in case you try and rebel against me and try to escape, I kind of need you to have no idea where we are, which yeah. I'm trying to make this sound good, but it's not, so I'm gonna give up and I'm telling you how it is. Anyway, I'll see you back at the manor, and we'll have so much fun. Yeah, we'll have so much fun. So, goodbye. Let's go back to, yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. This really does work. All right, anyway, I'll see you when you wake up. You'll be nice and safe. Don't panic. You'll be fine.
And I'll see you when you wake up. Yep, okay. Have a good sleep.
I'll get you back.